Their official name was stink pipes. While the name sounds strange today, they once played an important role in cities during the 19th century. These tall, hollow pipes were attached to underground sewer systems and buildings to solve a dangerous problem. Back then, sewage systems produced large amounts of methane and other explosive gases. If those gases stayed trapped underground, pressure could build up, causing explosions inside buildings or sewer tunnels. Stink pipes worked as a simple safety system. They carried the foul-smelling gases high above street level. This allowed the gases to safely disperse into the air instead of collecting in homes or crowded streets. They were usually installed on rooftops or along the sides of buildings, rising several meters into the sky. The higher the pipe, the less likely people were to smell the gases being released. Although the odor could still be unpleasant, these pipes helped prevent much bigger problems. This included toxic gas buildup, fires, and devastating sewer explosions as plumbing and sewer ventilation systems improved during the 20th century. Most stink pipes were removed or replaced with modern vent systems that are hidden inside buildings. Today, they are mostly a forgotten part of urban history, but for decades, these strange pipes quietly protected cities from dangerous sewer gases, making industrial cities much safer places to live.